today our topic is structure of Java class. So a Java class contains the following statements like package, import, comments, and also class declaration. So let us see one by one. First one is package statement. A package statement is used to declare a Java class as a part of the specified packages. So what are the package you want, you can declare it. A package statement is optional. So when we decide to write a package statement, always it should be a first statement in the file. But there is one exception. If you are going to use comments, no need to be provide package in the first statement itself. Coming to import statements, you can write one or more import statements. These are also optional. An import statement is used to link our class with other classes in the same package or other package to use their functionality. So whenever if you want to use some package, then we need to import it. That particular classes can be used within the package, or you can make use of from other package. Coming to the next statement, comments. So we can write one or more comments in a Java class to explain the use of certain statements or to provide information like the purpose of a class, author's name, date, and time of creation, etc. So comments are also optional. Comments can be written in the first line or anywhere in the program. And there are different types of comments like single line comment, multiple lines comment. Single line comment is indicated as double slash, whereas multiple line comment indicated as slash star followed by multiple number of lines. And at the end, you should provide star slash. And the next statement is class declaration. A class declaration consists of the class keyword followed by class name. So here if you consider that this is a class followed by the name of the class. So and then followed by the body of the class, which is represented using flower braces. A class declaration may contain variable declaration, comments, constructors, methods. Methods are similar to functions. And nested classes. A class within another class is called as a nested class, and nested interfaces. And next is enumerations. So all these can be provided within a class. So we can discuss each and every concept further in this unit itself. And let us see about structure of Java class. So as I already mentioned above, a Java program is a set of one or more classes in which each class will be declared following the structure of a Java class. And one of the classes will have a main method to start execution of the Java program. So whenever if you start execution of Java program, first thing is it will check which class consists of main. So the line where main exists, from that line itself it starts the execution, and the complete program will be executed from that point only. So this is about structure of Java class. Here in this example, there are total 3 classes, but in class 3 there is a statement main. So always the execution will begin from class 3. So a class followed by class name. Let us see a better understanding. So let us check your understanding. First one is every statement in Java language should end with. So I think everyone know that in C programming, every statement should end with semicolon. Similarly, in Java also, every statement should end with a semicolon. So till now, we haven't discussed a sample program. Just I have shown you a code. But in this session itself, I am going to execute a program. Then you will get a clear idea how to write a basic program. So our answer is a semicolon. And next is a function in C is called a function in C language is similar to what in Java language. So method, member, variable, none of the above. Okay, method is also called as a function. So in Java, a function is referred as a method. Member is nothing but the member of a particular function, but it is not a function. And variable is nothing but it is a particular location of some value. We can see what is variable here next in class. So the answer is method. And next is all methods and variables in Java language are kept inside a. So it is generally kept inside a file. No. It is kept inside main. No. Static method. No. So it is kept inside a class. So just now we have discussed about structure of Java class. In Java class, we have declared some methods, variables, Interfaces, all these are declared within a class. So answer is class or an interface. And next is choosing a multi-line comment in the Java below. So these are different types of comments. So multiple comment is nothing but option is A. Why? Because it should end with slash star, and it should it should start with slash star and it should end with star slash. So this is the first option correct. Second option it is wrong. Star slash and slash star it is wrong. And C is nothing but it is used to indicate a single line comment. Only starting will have that comment. There is nothing at ending. So answer is A. And next is string args in main method is used for. So answer is, so always execution of main starts from the particular point. So those are nothing but passing arguments at runtime. It doesn't pass anything at compile them. It can compile them. It just check whether there are any errors in your code. But during runtime, it will pass all the arguments. Okay, so string args is nothing but it will pass arguments during runtime. So let us see an example here to execute a program. So I'm going to execute program with the help of command prompt. So first initially go to search and then just type a command cmd. Then you will get a command prompt here. Just open it. Okay. After opening this command prompt, now I am going to set my path where my particular Java program exists. So before that, I am going to show you a program. So I have written a program in G Drive. The name of the program is Hello. Because the name of the class is given as Hello, so I have given the same name. So the program is nothing but hello.java. Okay. It is better if you use Notepad++ so that you can observe some difference. Wait. So first I will show you a program. This is hello.java. So which is saved in G Drive. See here, the path is G Drive. In G Drive, I have saved a program called as hello.java. So with the help of this Notepad++, you can see clearly the comments are indicated with green line. The class is indicated with the blue color word, and this is the main method. And you should use a proper indentation so that it will be easy in order to track your output. So always maintain good indentation for your program. Okay, so this is my program which is used to print output as hello world. Okay, the name of the class is hello, and here I'm giving main as a method with return type void, and this is access modifier. So we are going to discuss access modifiers in detail. And this is system is nothing but it is a class. Okay, system is a class which is available here, and out is an object. Println is a method. So with the help of this particular function, I want to print hello world. Okay, this particular function is available in this class. So if you want to access this, you need to make use of an object here. For that reason, I have written this statement like this. And if you observe, this statement is ended with a semicolon. So in Java, every line will end with a semicolon, except it is a if it is a class, there won't be any semicolon. And for a functions, same if you observe in C, it is similar that it doesn't make use of semicolon during loops or declaration of function definition. So same thing, same rules will be followed in Java also. So let us execute this. So I'm going back to command prompt. Now try to set the path as G drive. So initially it is in C drive users IRAM. So I'm changing the directory. If you want to move back, you can get as CDD, change directory. Okay. And if you want to change the directory, just specify it as a drive name followed by colon. Okay. Now it is in G drive. So directly in G drive, the program is available. So first thing is we need to compile my program, whether there are any errors in your program or not. Okay, if there are any errors, then it will display it. Compilation process won't end until unless all your errors are cleared. So in order to compile your program, I'm going to use a command called java c followed by program name. So hello.java. Okay. So as there are no errors during compilation process, so my compilation is successful. So during this compilation process, whatever the program which I have sent to a compiler, it will convert that particular program into bytecode. Okay, so that bytecode is nothing but which will have an extension called as dot class. So if you check, if you go to G drive and you check, then you will get a class dot class, which is nothing but is the bytecode. Okay, dot class file is created automatically after compilation process. Okay, now next is I need to execute my program. So in order to execute my program, which is nothing but during execution I will pass that bytecode. Internally it will pass that bytecode and it will convert into machine understandable language, and finally you will get some output. So Java followed by hello. So here nothing there should not be any extension here. Okay, so this is my output, hello world. Okay, this is how to execute a program. For example, let us see, I have written some error here. Okay, I have missed a semicolon here. Okay, I just saved this program and now again I want to compile this. So without compilation, if you directly execute it, then you will get output. Why? Because whatever the after editing your program, you should compulsory compile it. If it doesn't compile it, whatever the recent code is there, that will be used, but the modifications are not reflected to your program. So for that reason, again, I am compiling. So Java C hello.java. So it will specify if there are any errors here. Yes, I am getting a error. Okay, the error is nothing but semicolon expected. So there is no semicolon there. So it is generating an error. Okay, this is how to execute a simple program in Java. So if you want, you can move with another program. So another program is here. Sample. Okay, so this is my sample program. Here I am taking two inputs which are of integer inputs and I am performing addition there. Okay, so here I am manually reading some input from keyboard. For that reason I am using here scanner. Okay, scanner is nothing but it is a class, so which is available already in java.util. So this is my package, so I am importing this package and I am going to use this scanner. So if you want to use a class, then you can't use it directly. As I mentioned, class is a furniture, so you can't use that, you can't specify furniture. We can't see furniture, but we can see its objects like chair, table. So similarly, if you want to access a class, you need to make use of object. Here I have created an object called as input. Okay, if you want to create an object, you should make use of a keyword called as new followed by class name. Okay, so this is nothing but input. So if you want to read some input dot next int, so it will read the integer. Next again, so same, after that it will perform addition. So you can see in detail about these functions. Int next means it will read the integer value. Okay, from keyboard. So let us execute this once. Again, it is available in same path, G drive. So Java C, and the name of the class is sample. I have saved it as sample.java. So this is okay. Okay, there are no errors. Now try to execute this Java sample. You should not use any extension here. So now try to read some value. I'm giving x value as 4 and y value as 7. So after that it will perform addition. That is nothing but sum of x and y is 11. So this is how to execute your program. Okay, you need to for every modification of your program you need to compile it. After compilation only you should execute it. Okay, so this is the end of structure of Java program with some examples.